Hi friends, this is SSN Raju. Welcome to my channel Currency of India. Our currency notes represent our culture, heritage and traditional values. Let us see our currency notes and motifs printed on them. All the motifs are very famous and also featured on our Indian postal stamps. Let's begin with this 1 rupee note. Motif is Sagar Samrat oil rig. The postal stamp was released in 1982 on oil exploration. This is 2 rupees note. Motif is tiger. Postal stamp was released in 1963 on tiger. In this 2 rupees note, the motif is the first Indian satellite Aryabhatta. The postal stamp was released in 1975 on Aryabhatta. This is 5 rupees note and the motif is deers. The postal stamp on deers released in 1976. This is the 5 rupees note with farm mechanization along with tractor logo. The postal stamp on tractor released in 1985. This is 10 rupees note. The motif is boat sailing. The postal stamp released in 1987 on boat sailing. In this 10 rupees note, the motif is peacock. The postal stamp released on peacock in 1973. In this 10 rupees, the motif is Royal Bengal tiger, elephant and rhino. The postal stamp on elephant and rhino tiger released in 2007. This is the latest 10 rupees note. The motif is Sun Temple Konark. The postal stamp on Konark was released in 2001. This is the first ever 20 rupees note released. The motif is Parliament of India. The postal stamp on Parliament of India released in 2002 and 2010. This is the 20 rupees note. The motif is Sun Temple Konark. Postal stamp released on Konark in 2001. This is the latest 20 rupees note. The motif is Ellora Caves. The postal stamp on Ajanta Ellora Caves released in 1971. This is the 50 rupees note. The motif is Parliament of India. The postal stamp on Parliament of India released in 2002 and 2010. This is the latest 50 rupees note. The motif is Humpy. The postal stamp on Humpy chariot released in 1967. This is the 100 rupees note. The motif is elephants emerging out of forest. The postal stamp on elephant released in 1963. This is the 100 rupees note. The motif is Hirakud Dam. The postal stamp on Hirakud Dam was released in 1979. This is the 100 rupees note. The motif is agriculture based. Postal stamp on agriculture is released in 1959. This is the 100 rupees note. The motif is Himalayas. Postal stamp on Himalayas released in 1974. This is the latest 100 rupees note. The motif is Rani Ki Vav, a famous heritage stepwell in Gujarat. Postal stamp on Rani Ki Vav released in 2017. This is the 200 rupees note. The motif is Sanch Stupa. The postal stamp on Sanch Stupa released in 2018. This is the first ever 500 rupees note. The motif is Dandi March. Postal stamp on Dandi March was released in 2019. This is the latest 500 rupees note. The motif is Red Fort. Postal stamp on Red Fort released in 1949. This is 1000 rupees note. The motif is Burudiswarar Temple. The postal stamp on Burudiswarar Temple released in 2010. This is 1000 rupees note. The motif is oil rig, satellite, agriculture and steel foundry featuring the economy of India. Postal stamp on steel released in 2009. This is 2000 rupees note. The motif is Mangalyaan featuring our capabilities in space. The postal stamp on space released in 2000. This is 5000 rupees note. The motif is Gateway of India, Mumbai. The postal stamp on Gateway of India, Mumbai released in 1935. And finally, this is the 10,000 rupees note featuring Ashokan Pillar. The postal stamp on Ashokan Pillar was released in 1947 and 2008. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. We will be very happy to have your comments on this. Please do subscribe our channel for more updates. Yours, Assistant Raju.